Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how the back office works. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the entire back office and what you guys should expect. So the first thing is the dashboard. This directly reflects what you put in on your invoicing module. There's, again, separate videos on most of the stuff. I'm just going to give you a tour on what to expect. The next thing is you would look at your Manage App Resellers. This is where you create the apps. I click on it and I see a list of apps here, how you build them. You click the Add New button, put the information on this screen, and then once this information is done, it will populate at the top of your list over here, right here, and then you go to the Create App section. Once that's done, you go to the Login section. There's a video on how to build an app from start to finish, so make sure you check that out. But again, we're just going to go through the back office and look at everything here so you understand everything. There's a little link here right now that's got this little email icon. When you click this link, the automatic email and automatic email will go out to your clients, people that you're selling apps to give them their back office information. So when you click on the auto mail content, all of this stuff here is something that you can set up custom. So you can add an image there. You can put, custom language here. This is the exact same email you guys should have received from us when you purchase your account. We've got placeholders for the username, the password, their name, and the link, the URL that they go to sign in. This can all be customized to look like whatever you want. So there's two when you click on automail content. There's one for a reseller and one for an outlet. The outlets are for the apps you sell. The resellers are depending on your license if you have the ability to use this or not. So that's the automatic email content. Again, whatever you set up here will be what goes out to your clients when you click on the email icon right here underneath their names. Okay, the next thing is an email program that we've got that you can use. This is, this is a fully functioning email program. You can send emails to your list right from here. This is very important. The country and state, wherever you are in the world, you need to find your countries and activate them. Okay, so let's say you're in the United States. I'm going to search for the United States. There it is. You activate that, and then you also need to go in here to all the states. There's different states in here, and make sure all of these things are active. I think these all come, these are all deactive by default. So you just come in here and just activate all these different states. That makes sure that the apps, the information that we're pulling will come, will be relevant to the country that you're in. Okay, so you can just click on the top of these rows here too. It will filter them, change the sort order. So in this example, we've got Canada, United States active. We've got a resources tab here, which is not active yet, but will be soon. We'll have some materials in here. Right here, we've got a link that says message from admin. So if we've got any kind of messaging here, you'll see it. Marketing material here, you've got your poster generator. This gives you the ability to create custom posters. So let me show you one quickly. I'll hit the add button. All the apps that you've created will show up in here. I'm going to select one, and then you've got two templates to select from. You've got this one or that one. I can select one and basically create a countersign for my clients. So I'm able to manipulate these words to this. All this stuff is all manageable, editable. If you've created a barcode, which is over here, not a barcode, a QR code, which is over here, it will be showing here as well. Okay, so this is, you guys can turn this stuff on and off if you just hit the select button. The color at the bottom of the screen here is also manageable, so you can change the color, I'll make it blue. And then this can be saved in 3 different sizes. Okay, you can also upload a different image here. So if you don't like this screenshot, you just upload your image. The screenshot, the sizing is right here, and then it will show up on this page. Okay, this is a really cool tool. Once it's made, I can just save this. Okay, it comes. It's saved here. It's deactive. You activate it, and then you basically it will show up in the account of the customer whose app it is automatically in their back office. All your clients have this marketing materials tab as well, so it will show up automatically there. The next thing we've got is view marketing material. You've got a bunch of Photoshop files here that are really nice flyers and designs. You can download this stuff and customize them to your own business. Okay, the QR code generator, really cool tool. You're able to create QR codes that are relevant to your apps. So I'm just going to show you one here. I hit the Add New button over there. I give it a name, so I'm going to demo, and then all of the apps that you've got will populate here. You can just select, I want to share it with this guy. You can change the color of the QR code. Again, let's make this blue. And then you put your default, your URL links in here. So the Apple Store link, the Google Store link, and then the default URL. So your apps would be, the Apple app would have the Apple Store link here, the Google app would have the Google link here, and then the default URL, I always put the Apple link up here just in case. But I'll show you what a QR code looks like. So I'm just gonna make a couple of examples. So let's do this, and hit submit. Now it will generate a QR code. Okay, so this QR code can be shared again with your clients who you're building apps for. But you can also use this. You can build QR codes for anything. It doesn't have to be your apps. Keep in mind, this is a dual QR code. If you scan this with an Apple device, it takes you to the Apple Store. If you scan it with an Android device, it will take you to the Android link. Okay. This was a really important feature. QR codes are great for marketing materials. You can share this with your clients. Again, it'll be in their back office as well. You can also click the share button, and then this email box pops up. You can just basically plug in the information here and automatically send the QR code to whoever you're putting in this email. Okay. Once you've done there, we have the invoicing module. We've done a video on that, so this is where all this is done. We got the ability for you guys to create an actual logo at the top here. So I've got, let me pull the screen up so you can see it. The logo at the top of the screen here. Okay, that's where you manage this. The sizing is right here, 400 by 200 pixels. And then now you need to understand this. If you change the slug, this is going to change the URL of your login. It will mess things up. So do not change the slug unless you absolutely have to. Contact us if you need to do that. The domain name is needed. This is needed for your package names. Okay, so you need to get a URL here without the www. Just follow the instructions here. You do not need an Apple ID or password any longer in this area, but the domain name is needed. This reflects in your package name for your Google apps. Okay, over here you can check, you can change your passwords. These are my login and email address and my username, and then I can change my password right here. Okay, the redeem password. These are the redeem passwords for the apps right there. Okay, these are for these are for container apps. Again, it's not really relevant to most of you guys. And the payment gateway for your invoicing module is right here. So if you're using Stripe, actually no, your invoicing module has its own payment gateway at the top here. But this is for a different feature. It's for the member plans inside of the apps. So that's what all of that is for. You can obviously log out here. Coupons is a feature if you were, again, it's used in the container app environment. It's not really relevant to most of all of you. But this is a good overview of what everything is on the back office. Key areas to concentrate up. This is where your apps are made. Okay, this is automatic email. Country state, make sure you activate the countries you are selling apps in, and your marketing material and your invoice module. All right, thanks for watching, guys.